to request you all to please take your seats, ladies and gentlemen. Because if there's one thing very peculiar about this morning, it is that we are very time-bound. We're counting every moment to the bell ringing ceremony, and we have to make the most of it. And I must say, as someone who has been waiting here on the sidelines to take the stage and watching all of you fill this beautiful NSC venue with warm hugs, lots of smiles, and a great vibe, it feels almost surreal that it has taken years, decades of beginning with a vision coupled by hard work and this camaraderie that all of us share in this room to make it to this phenomenal day. So I was wondering, what is the best way of beginning this listing ceremony? And the most obvious answer that comes to mind, and one that you will totally agree with me, is that let's begin this listing ceremony with a thunderous round of applause. It also goes with the season, you know. Fantastic. Thank you so much for bringing to the listing ceremony not just yourself but also your energy and your enthusiasm, because that is what makes this morning so much more memorable. My name is Zenia Fernandez, and it's my absolute pleasure to be standing here and welcoming all of you to the listing of Kalpataru Limited's equity shares on the National Stock Exchange, a day that has been in the making a very long time, and here we are. So let's make the absolute most of it. Before we commence our ceremony, I'd request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem. Please take your seats. You know, milestones, they're such an important way for all of us to look at the past with gratitude, to enjoy the present, this very moment, with appreciation, most importantly, to also anticipate and look forward to the future with hope. And today, we are here to celebrate one such milestone, the listing of Kalpataru Limited. Now, we all know that Kalpataru Limited is an integrated real estate development company. We operate predominantly in luxury and premium residential segment as well as commercial and mixed-use developments. Kalpataru Limited is a very prominent real estate developer in the Mumbai metropolitan region in Maharashtra, and of course we're also present across all of its micro markets. As of 31st December 2024, Kalpataru along with its promoters completed a total of 120 projects across various areas within Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai, even Pune, extending to Hyderabad, Indore, Bengaluru and Jodhpur as well. We are the 5th largest developer in the MCGM area in Maharashtra and the 7th largest developer in Thane, Maharashtra in terms of units supplied from the calendar year 2019 all the way to December 31st, 2024. Now, Kalpataru Limited, as we all know, we are led by our promoters, Mr. Mofat Raj P. Manot and Mr. Parag M. Manot, who have an experience of 5 and 3 decades, respectively, in the real estate industry. They are a member of the Kalpataru Group of Companies, consisting of Kalpataru Projects International Limited, Property Solutions India Private Limited, Shri Shubham Logistics Limited, and their respective subsidiaries, among, of course, many others. As a group, we were established in 1969 by Mr. Manot, and therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we stand here with a legacy of 56 years behind us. With a presence in 75 countries, operations in EPG contracting for power transmission, distribution, oil and gas, railways, civil infrastructure projects, warehousing, logistics, and even facilities management. Furthermore, Kalpataru Projects International Limited is listed on the NSE and BSE. I think it is very important for all of us, for me rather, to relay this so that I can put into perspective the presence that we own in this wonderful country. So this listing this morning clearly opens a brand new chapter for all of us over here and for this institution, and we so look forward to our next phase of growth. And I think this is a perfect morning for us to give a momentum boost to this growth that we're already experiencing. To begin with, I'd like to welcome officially all of our dignitaries who are present here. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of National Stock Exchange of India, and our host this morning. Thank you, sir, for being here. We're also honored to have with us here today the leadership team from Kalpataru Limited. Mr. Mofat Raj Manot, Non-Executive Chairman, Kalpataru Limited. Mr. Parag Manot, Managing Director, Kalpataru Limited. Mr. Narendra Lodha, Executive Director, Kalpataru Limited. Mr. Chandrasekhar Joglekar, our CFO at Kalpataru Limited. Ms. Anjali Seth, Independent Director. Mr. Satish Bhujbal, Independent Director. And we're also joined by Mr. Imtiaz Kanga, Non-Executive Director. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. We'd also like to extend a very hearty welcome to our book running lead managers. We all know they play such an integral role in the success of this IPO. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Nitin Idnani, Managing Director, Real Estate Advisory, JM Financial Limited. We also have with us Mr. Raghavendra Pandey, Executive Vice President, ICICI Securities Limited, and Mr. Amit Thawani, Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited. Welcome to all of you. So let's commence this auspicious occasion like we do it in our country, by lighting the very beautiful and auspicious ceremonial lamp. And while our dignitaries join us on stage and conduct this ceremony, I invite all of you to invoke whichever the higher power you believe in, that this brand new beginning may be just what we need and what it takes to make it to the next level of growth and success. Mr. Mofat Raj Manot, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Mr. Parag Manot, Mrs. Monica Manot, Ms. Shubhika Manot, Master Aryavir Manot, Mr. Narendra Lodha, Mr. Chandrasekhar Joglekar, Mr. Imtiaz Kanga, Ms. Anjali Seth, Mr. Satish Bhujbal, requesting all of our dignitaries to please make your way to the dais. We officiate the listing ceremony. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We are all bound by this beautiful tradition that helps us set the tone for a brand new, a prosperous beginning for Kalpataru Limited. Thank you. We've got an incredible shot of this moment. Thank you to all of our dignitaries. Well, in the opening, when I set the tone for this morning, I reminded all of us in the room of the 56 years of legacy. Kalpataru's name today is synonymous to Mumbai's beautiful, ever-rising and ever-vibrant skyline. It's time for us to press pause right now, or rather, press play on our corporate AV. Let's have the film, please. Wow! Yes, you can also make some noise, everyone, and cheer. This is a family occasion, so let's make the most of it. What a beautiful reminder of how we so perfectly blend design, conscious living, with, of course, our legacy. I want you to hold on to that thought as I invite on stage Mr. Nitin Idnani, Managing Director, Real Estate Advisory, JM Financial Limited, to share his thoughts with us this morning.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Kalpataru team, JM Financial and my fellow bankers, I would like to welcome and thank you all for taking the time to be here today on this momentous occasion. It is a pleasure and an honor to be associated with an IPO from the Kalpataru Group, one of the strongest brands I've seen when it comes to Mumbai real estate, which has chosen to stay private until now. I think this was a wait that's going to be worth the time. Kalpataru now embarks on this next chapter as a publicly listed company on the Indian bourses. It has the support of lakhs of its shareholders, which stands as a testament to the tremendous trust investors have placed in the company's future growth. Under the guidance of Mr. Mufattaraj Munot and Mr. Parag Munot and a highly experienced management team, we have no doubt that the company will deliver extremely well on its unwavering commitment to long-term value creation. At an IPO price of 414 rupees a share and an issue size of 1,590 crores, Kalpataru Limited will debut today with strong investor interest and market momentum. This demand is not merely a financial metric, but a powerful endorsement of the Kalpataru Group's mission to build with integrity, innovate for the future, and generate sustainable growth. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without the dedication of the management team, which has done a tremendous job in seeing this through, and also, of course, my fellow BRLMs, the intermediaries, stock exchanges, and the investment community, whose overwhelming response speaks volumes of their confidence in this company's journey. We extend our sincere gratitude to Kalpataru Group for entrusting us with this opportunity, and we also reaffirm our commitment and eagerly look forward to partnering on many more landmark milestones ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Idnani, and on behalf of all of us in the room, I must congratulate us on this incredible partnership, and we totally share in your excitement. And now to share his thoughts about our journey, our incredible achievements, and the inspiration that we draw from, let's welcome on stage Managing Director of Kalpataru Limited, Mr. Parag Munot.
Good morning, everyone. Shiashi Chauhanji, members of the board of Kalpataru Limited, our respected regulators from SEBI, legal counsels, auditors, and other advisors to the IPO, esteemed guests, beloved members of the Kalpataru family, and everybody joining us live today. A warm and heartfelt welcome to you all, and thank you for gracing this truly momentous occasion at the National Stock Exchange. Today, as I stand before you, I cannot express the immense pride and joy I feel. This marks a landmark moment in our company's history. We are gathered here to not only celebrate this IPO, but also to acknowledge 56 years of our unwavering commitment towards pursuit of excellence and earning the trust and respect from our stakeholders. Kalpataru Limited was truly arrived at a moment that reflects the strength of our vision, the dedication of our people, and the confidence that investors have placed in us. This listing celebration of all the milestones that we have achieved and the collective achievement of everyone who has walked this journey with us. And what a journey this has been. From humble beginnings 5.5 decades ago by our founder and our chairman, Shri Muftarji Munot, my father, who laid a foundation not just of brick and mortar, but of hard work and excellence. Guided by his vision, we have built an enduring legacy and delivering over 120 landmark projects across key markets. We definitely have seen challenges. Each time we have risen stronger, driven by perseverance, integrity, teamwork, and an innate desire to provide the best homes and spaces for our customers. As I reflect on our journey, I'm filled with gratitude. Gratitude for the unwavering support of our employees, our customers, our consultants, our families, and everyone who believed in our vision. With the grace of God and the blessings of my late mother, today Kalpataru is a trusted symbol of quality and innovation. It stands as one of the top developers in India, particularly in Mumbai metropolitan region, Pune and Thane. These are some of the most potential and robust markets of India. I'm thrilled that investors have recognized our strengths and have joined us for this progressive journey ahead. Their trust is a validation of the core pillars that define us, such as leadership in the MMR and Pune market, our unmatched track record of end-to-end execution, which has earned us the loyalty of thousands of customers, a robust pipeline of ready to unlock significant value and drive growth of our years to come, creating long-term gains for our stakeholders, and most important, a best-in-class management team, blending seasoned leadership with extraordinary professional talent. Looking forward, as we celebrate this milestone, our ambitious vision for the future is built on the foundation of innovation, sustainability, and growth. Despite a dynamic global environment, the fundamentals of the Indian real estate market remain robust, driven by a strong domestic demand and a growing economy. As we step into this exciting new phase, our strategic focus will remain on the Mumbai metropolitan region and Pune, but we are not stopping there. We will selectively explore in high-growth cities across India, ensuring that Kalpataru continues to be synonymous with quality and credibility. We will focus on creating world-class developments that will cater to the aspirations of a rising India. As we look forward to executing our strategies, our goal is simple: to create value for all our stakeholders while maintaining the highest standards of corporate governance. Let me take a moment to thank everyone who has been part of this extraordinary journey. Our regulators, SEBI and its officials, the stock exchanges, our international and domestic legal counsels, auditors, book running lead managers, and our advisors. Without their support, this moment would not have been possible. A special thank you goes to our architects, engineers, construction workers, and every single employee who has poured their heart and soul in building our company, and also their family and my family. This IPO is not just about raising capital. It is about strengthening our foundation to build bigger, better, and more sustainable. It is about inviting the public to be a part of our growth story. To our new investors, thank you for your faith in our vision. We are committed to delivering on our promise. We look forward to a bright future. Thank you for being part of this occasion and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.
Mr. Manoj, thank you so much for those incredible words. I love how you took this very iconic moment to acknowledge the collective that forms the 56-year-old legacy, and we completely share in your enthusiasm. Thank you very much. I'd now like to invite on stage Sri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of NSE, to please join me on stage and share his thoughts with us this morning as we count down to the bell ringing ceremony. Welcome, sir.
Shri Mofathraj P. Munot, Chairman Kalpataru, Shri Parag M. Munot, Managing Director Kalpataru, Shri Narendra Lodha, Shri Chandrasekhar Joglekar, Shri Nitin Idnani, Board members, distinguished guests, family members, employees, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Raghavendra Pandey, ICICI Securities, Anil Thawani, Nomura Securities, and other merchant bankers. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Kalpataru Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Kalpataru in our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 2763rd company to list with us. During the current financial year, NSE has witnessed 33 IPOs, with Kalpataru being the 10th company to list on the main board of the exchange. India is the 4th largest capital market in the world, with market capitalization of NSE listed companies, which has grown over 125 times in rupee terms since NSE started operations in 94. And now stands at 459 lakh crore rupees or $5.4 trillion. And from today onwards, Kalpataru will be an integral part of it. In 30 years, NSE has had a remarkable journey of enabling a fair, efficient and transparent capital market ecosystem and being a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation and job creation. NSE has over 11.5 crore unique investors with over 22.5 crore accounts spanning 99.9% of all PIN codes in the country, with over 20% of all households now investing in stock markets via NSE today. In financial year 24-25, NSE facilitated 242 IPOs, mobilizing 1.7 lakh crore or $20 billion. This marks the highest number of IPOs recorded in any financial year, demonstrating the growing confidence of investors in India's capital markets. I congratulate the entire team of Kalpataru, the merchant bankers ICICI Securities, JM Financial, Nomura Financial, legal advisors Khetan and Company, PR agency Adfactors PR, and other partners associated in this listing for their accomplishments. At NSE, our commitment has always been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. We are proud to offer Kalpataru access to a broad investor base and a fair, efficient and transparent marketplace. We hope that today's successful listing of Kalpataru on NSE will inspire many more companies to list with us. This listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us. NSE looks forward to support Kalpataru in all their future fundraising endeavors as well. As we ring the bell, we ring in a future filled with possibilities. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, thank you very much, sir. I'm going to request you to please stay with me on stage because, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take the next few minutes for the exchange of mementos to commemorate the significance of this event. I'd like to invite on stage Mofathraj ji and Mr. Parag Manot, requesting you to please join us as Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan will now present mementos on behalf of NSC to Mofat Rajji and Mr. Parag Manot and the entire Kalpataru family, beginning with the iconic replica of the bell. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan will now be presenting a box of proud to be listed badges for the Kalpataru family. And if you're proud to be listed, then please put your hands together, everyone. And finally, Shri Chauhan will be presenting a coffee table book of the NSC that captures incredible moments and landmarks. I'd now like to request Shri Mofat Rajji and Mr. Parag Manot to kindly present a token of our gratitude to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan and the NSC family on behalf of Kalpataru Limited. Yes, the mighty Kalpavruksha. Mofat Rajji and Mr. Parag, I'm going to request you to please take your seat. I will invite you very, very shortly. What we will do next is presenting mementos on behalf of NSC. We'd like to begin by inviting Mr. Nitin Idnani and team and Ms. Neha Agarwal, requesting you to please join us on stage from JM Financial Limited. Thank you very much. Mr. Raghavendra Pandey and team from ICICI Securities Limited. Our incredible partners who made our way to the listing ceremony so much easier. Inviting Mr. Amit Thawani and team from Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities. I believe Mr. Manish Agarwal is here, Managing Director, Investment Banking, and Mr. Mahesh as well. Please join us, gentlemen. I request the team from Khaitan and Company to please make your way to the stage. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ladies. Let's have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Khaitan and Company. And now let's invite Mr. Rajesh Chaturvedi and team from Adfactors. Welcome, sir. Good morning. Thank you so much, Shri Chauhan. Request you to please stay with us. I'd now like to invite on stage Mr. Parag Manot, Mr. Narendra Lodha, Mr. Chandrasekhar Joglekar, and Mr. Anup Verma to please Join me on stage. We will now be presenting mementos on behalf of Kalpataru Limited to all the representatives of our dedicated partners whose contributions, like Mr. Monoth rightly said, have been absolutely invaluable to the successful listing of our company. Let's welcome Ms. Neha Agarwal and team from JM Financial Limited. And up next, I'd like to invite Mr. Raghavendra Pandey and team from ICICI Securities Limited to please join us near the stage. We're counting down to the final 5 minutes before the bell ringing ceremony. Mr. Pandey and team from ICICI Securities, please make your way to the stage. I'd like to invite Mr. Manish Agarwal and team from Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited to please join us near the stage. Mr. Agarwal and team making their way of Nomura. And up next, requesting the team from Khaitan and Company to please join us near the stage and be on standby. Team from Khaitan and Company. Company now making their way to the stage. Thank you for your incredible partnership. Thank you very much. Let's invite Team AZB and partners. Welcome, Team AZB and partners. Let's hear it for them. And up next, I'd like to invite representatives from Sidley Austin LLP. Sidley Austin here in the room with us. Okay, I believe they're not here. Let's welcome Team KKC and Associates LLP. Yes, sir, please join us. Team Photography, please make way for our dignitaries. And all eyes on the digital clock. We are almost at 9:58 a.m. Some of us are sweating. Well, this is going to be an edge of the seat moment, everyone. Usually as a host, I say sit back, relax and enjoy the show, but not this morning. Okay. Okay, I think we are very, very close to the bell ringing ceremony. So I'm going to take the next few minutes. We're going to pause the memento ceremony over here. And I'd like to invite all of our dignitaries on stage. Mufat Rajji, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Mrs. Monica Manoth, Shibika Aravi requesting you to join us as well. Mr. Satish Bhujbal, Ms. Anjali Seth, Mr. Narendra Lodha, Mr. Chandrasekhar Joglekar, Mr. Imtiaz Kanga, Mr. Anup Verma, Mr. Nitin Idnani, Mr. Raghavendra Pandey, Mr. Amit Thawani. I think Mr. Manish Agrawal is here in place of Mr. Thawani. Yes, sir. Please join us. Okay, everyone. 50 seconds to go. You're going to count down the final 10 seconds with me. I request to you all to please be seated so that our cameras can capture the moment beautifully. But let our voices echo as we successfully list Kalpataru Limited this morning. We're going to quickly orchestrate things on the dais so that we have the best images and videos. Remember, final 10 seconds, we are going to count down together. Okay, here we go. With me, everybody, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's a great day, and we have arrived and witnessed this historic moment, the successful listing of Kalpataru Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your invitation to make some noise. Historic, iconic Kalpataru ventures into a brand new era. Please take your seat, everyone. Please remain seated. We have a couple of things on our agenda. Wow. Proud to be listed. Kalpataru family. Well, I am very tempted to say right now, itna sannata kyun hai bhai? Please make some noise, everybody. Come on, once again, for an entire Kalpataru Limited family. It's a brand new beginning. And indeed, a very, very successful banking opening. I'm going to request Mr. Parag Manot Mr. Parag Manot, Mr. Lodha, Mr. Joglekar and Mr. Verma, please stay with us on stage. We're going to continue with the memento ceremony. I'd like to invite the team from MGB and Company. Team from MGB and Company, please make your way to the stage. Everyone, please stay seated because we will officially close the ceremony in a couple of minutes from now. Team MJB. Inviting the team from India Law LLP. Team India Law LLP, please join us. Here, this way. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Team India Law making their way to the stage. Our CFO, sir, requesting you to please step forward and deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It is with immense gratitude and pride that I stand before you on behalf of entire team of Kalpataru as we mark this great occasion. Actually, it is a celebration of vision. a collective effort of each and every person who has been part of this journey, who has been instrumental in bringing Kalpataru here at this stage. And more importantly, it's also, we all should remember that it's a Kalpataru family. So we treat all people who have worked with us, who are business associates to us as a Kalpataru family. I thank each one of the family member of Kalpataru, and also each and every employee who has been relentlessly working for this particular, to see this day particularly. First and foremost, I thank National Stock Exchange, its leadership and its entire team, for giving us this platform to grow, to scale, and also to reach to the bigger community of the investors. Investors and the shareholders, big thank you very much actually, because you have kept trust in us and in our mission and in our overall prospects of growth, etc. So now your confidence is going to actually create a strong fundamental for us, and that will take us in this journey long way with a lot of responsibility and also transparency. The Board of Directors of Kalpataru, thank you very much. We are deeply grateful to them. Not now, even all the directors even earlier also. So your strategic insights as well as the governance has been quite helpful, and rather it has brought us here today. On the intermediaries front, this day wouldn't have been possible without intermediaries. Intermediaries means all the BRLMs, our lawyers, our advisors, and the registrar also. Thank you, each one of you, because you have been hand-holding us, you have been actually guiding us throughout this process, because it's quite difficult and it's quite lengthy process and very detailed process. On the employees front, they are our family, as I said earlier, and this whole success actually belongs to our employees who have been with us, and all the difficult, challenging times, everything, never ever they had any doubt about the capability and the genuinity of the group, which is very, very important. Many of our employees are working here with Kalpataru for more than 10, 15, 20, 25 years. And of course, we should also thank our media for being supportive all the time, and Ad Factors, our communication partners. They made us, they actually taught us how to speak in front of audience and everything, and also the media and all. Thank you very much for your support. As we embrace this responsibility of being in public limited company or a public listed company, it is very, very important for us to carry out the governance very well, and also to grow and meet the expectations of our investors, which we will. And that is what is the assurance we can give now. Thank you very much. जाते जाते मैं 4 पंक्तियां कहना चाहता हूँ, एक्चुअली आपके सामने पेश करना चाहता हूँ. नया है सफर, अब नहीं है उड़ान, कल्पतरु के साथ है राहे आसान. बाजार में गूंजेगा जब हमारा काम, भरोसे की नींव कल्पतरु का नाम. जो कल था ख्वाब आज है दस्तावेज, एग्रीमेंट. जो कल था ख्वाब आज है दस्तावेज, जीत का परचम सुनहरे कल का तेज. बुलंदियों की ओर बढ़े हर एक मुकाम, कल्पतरु दे जीत के सपनों को आजा अंजाम. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
मिस्टर जोगलेकर, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आपने तो यहाँ पे समा बांध दिया. Thank you so much for that list of thank yous, because gratitude is always in order on places like these. Ladies and gentlemen, for our final line item, which is actually not on the agenda, so I'm going to go off script here, and I'm going to invite Mufat Raji and Parag on stage for a surprise element on behalf of NSE. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, sir, I'm going to request you to please join us as well. It's the world of Instagram. Everything's instant, and so is everything at NSC here. The iconic bell ringing ceremony moment, my dear friends, was captured and now will be presented to the Kalpataru Limited family on behalf of NSC in this beautiful photograph in a frame that represents the moment that we just witnessed exactly 11 minutes ago.
one's going to go on the desk of MPM, sir. A beautiful memory captured and frozen in time. Yes. And with that, my dear friends, we come to the close of the official listing ceremony of Kalpataru Limited. One final round of applause. Make some noise, Kalpataru family. It is your day. And it is time for us to celebrate. The dais is now open for all of you to please come and capture your photographs, make your memories. My name is Xenia Fernandez. I'm signing off. Refreshments have been served inside the building. Have a phenomenal day, everyone. Thank you.